Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacy Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the number 1 place for entrepreneurs who want their content marketing to convert content consumers into paying customers. If you're posting videos to TikTok as, shall we say, a more mature entrepreneur, and you're not even 100% comfortable with doing so, and you're rifling through video advice on YouTube to see how many times a day you should be publishing video content on TikTok, only to be, well, a little put off with the sheer volume of posting that the average influencer is telling you to do. Because you've got a busy business and a busy life, and yes, you want all of the advantages that you can possibly get by having a presence on TikTok, but no, you don't have the time to just sit around and create content all day. Well, today I'm going to share with you my thoughts on the subject of TikTok. How many times a day do I publish? But wait, before we go any further, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get the help that entrepreneurs like you need to succeed with content marketing that drives traffic to your business so that you can do more business. I recently did a video entitled TikTok Hashtag Tips for Business, and in that video I share with you that regardless of how often you publish on that platform, if you're not optimizing your posts with hashtags properly, you won't get the kind of traction you want on TikTok no matter what. You're not just there to get a huge following. You can't deposit followers in the bank, of course, to pay your bills. You want to attract the attention of your ideal customer and get sales from them sooner or later, right? Well, you can do that all day long on TikTok, but your hashtag strategy for each and every video you post must be on point. So after watching this video, I highly recommend you go back and watch that video too. In the meantime, let's get down to the subject of TikTok. How many times a day do I publish? Now look, there's the advice that the younger influencers are giving you. And then there's the real talk, real world advice that I'm going to give you. So stay tuned till the end of this video to get that, because at least you'll understand the big picture a little better, but have a realistic way to get all the macro conversions you need to succeed as a more mature entrepreneur who's engaging in content marketing on the TikTok platform. You will. So up front, let's talk about what the younger influencers suggest. So today's younger influencers that you might have been listening to on YouTube might be saying something along the lines of, you need to have a daily presence on TikTok, and you must also publish up to 3 videos a day to really see success on the app. More is better goes the sentiment, and you can take what was kind of in a crock pot in terms of growth and throw it into the microwave for quicker success. Well, presuming you know what you're doing on TikTok, subscribe to my channel, watch my videos, and TikTok specific playlists, or purchase my course, Social Talk Shortcut, if you like. See the link in the description or show notes below for details. But at the end of the day, if you know what you're doing, sure, more videos can equal more growth for you. But you're not necessarily some kid or super young adult sitting around in your house with time to spare. What happens if you've got a busy business already and you just want to grow it? What happens if you've also got side hustles? You're bootstrapping with a full-time or part-time job, even if it's just to get benefits while you grow your business. What happens if you've got kids, pets, elder care, some of those things or all of those things, plus cleaning your house, running chores? I mean, the list is endless for a lot of people. So sure, there's what the younger influencers suggest, and it's great if you can pull it off. But here's what I recommend if you can't do that. Now, I'm going to say that I agree with today's younger influencers. If I agree with them at all, it's on this one point for sure. You must have a daily presence on the TikTok platform for best success. That's your goal. And with videos currently going up to 3 minutes times max, it's not a really hard goal to hit. High production value videos tend to tank on the platform anyway, so if you don't have to go all crazy editing your videos either. Just either shoot everything in-app and edit it on TikTok using its onboard tools only, which is not only silly easy to do, the TikTok algorithm would prefer that you do that and may very well give you extra algorithmic boost per video for doing that. Or you can shoot your video on your cell phone and upload that video from your camera roll to the TikTok app, and otherwise use their in-app onboard tools, special effects, sounds, and music, and you're good to go. Easy. Very few steps really, and I'm over 50 years old and telling you that. So if you've been kind of shying away from putting up videos on TikTok at all or much, honestly, you can cover your daily base, and if you skip every once in a while, at least presently, I don't think that'll hurt you, as long as it's the exception and not the rule. I have a 7-figure success client, Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill, who is reaching 800,000 fans or followers on TikTok as this video is being recorded live. And they skip sometimes because, well, they're a high-volume store and it's crazy busy. But they publish near daily, and now they're earning nearly 4 figures a month just in revenue from ads on the app, let alone all of the business it's helped to generate for them. I have multiple 6 figures and high 5-figure work from home clients or students too who have done well with a video a day, occasionally skipping a day, but otherwise staying true to putting up a video a day. They get business from the messages sent to them in-app on the regular. They have people citing to TikTok off-app too on the regular. So this is worth your time. It really is worth your time to put up a video a day, even if it's 15 seconds to about a minute long and nowhere near 3 minutes long. Keep it simple, and you can pull this off. However, where I part company with the younger influencers giving you TikTok advice is, if you can't do multiple videos a day, you just can't do it, and you're not less than or guaranteed to fail if you don't. Given what I said a minute ago, I think you know why I'm taking this position. You can be super successful on the app without publishing multiple videos a day. You really can. Again, when I say successful, I mean you're not just gaining followers, you're building up your email list, because that's what the link in bio should be, in my opinion, okay? Not to your website, but to your email opt-in form. But if you don't know why I suggest that, feel free to post your questions in the comments on this video, and I'll be happy to answer them. But of course, you're an adult with bills to pay, so the most important thing that you get is sales, right? And you can get those, but not if you publish once a week, once a month, kind of on and off throughout the week. Sure, the algorithm is very likely going to prefer your videos if you're a regular contributor, and that will build over time. And if you know your ideal customer, you'll know what content to create, how to optimize it, and how to build a community of brand enthusiasts who sooner or later will happily support your brand by buying things from you. TikTok is where you'll see some of the best growth. Perhaps Instagram too, if you're creating reels. But if not, then you can grow there too, but it will be slower. But the brand recognition that you can get is immense on TikTok, even with daily short videos. Why turn your nose up at this opportunity that you got right now for your business? Get in there, make a video a day, and you'll be thanking me down the road. It's something extra on the to-do list, sure, but it pays handsome dividends. So that's why I humbly recommend that y'all put it on that list and check it off on the regular. There you have it. This is my answer when it comes to the subject of TikTok. How many times a day do I publish? Need more help? Be sure to check out these 2 awesome videos too, because they'll teach you great content marketing strategies that can also help to blow up your business. Enjoy.